Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we've got a little Sweetie Nail Supply unboxing slash swatching. We've got the Valla Noble Night collection. These are stunning cat eye gels. Look at those bottles first off. When I first got them, I opened the box and I was like, I don't even care what's inside the bottles. I just want the bottles on my shelves. But I obviously do care about what's inside the bottles because look at how effing beautiful these cat eyes are. They're like the very silky type of cat eyes, which I feel like honestly have really taken over the cat eye world lately. Like you don't see brands or as many brands making like the classic glittery cat eye. It's a lot of focus on this kind of like silky, shifty cat eye, which is super beautiful. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love these, but I also do love the glittery. So I mean, if brands if you're watching and you're thinking about which one to make sure to still make the super glittery ones because I do also love those, but these are spectacular as well. So I understand. You know what? We're kind of at a standstill here because these are really incredible, but I want it all basically. I think I want it all. Is that too much to ask? But what makes these ones a little bit unique too is you can kind of see they have like the occasional like gold fleck inside of them. Like very subtle, very kind of random. You can kind of see it a bit here actually in the first coat. But when the like kind of threaded, you see what I mean by threaded, the kind of lines that go through the gel polish. When you use the magnet, those threads kind of disappear and you can kind of see the gold flecks a little bit more. They're so subtle and really, really just like you catch them when they reflect in the light. But they're super, super beautiful, and that's something that is very unique, I think, to these gel polishes, because that's not something you see very often from cat eye gels, is that occasional little gold fleck. These are also, especially on this side of my little swatch sticks, these are very much giving holiday. Can't you picture, like, everyone's New Year's nails coming from this collection of gels? I feel like this is, like, the perfect December color. Like, definitely good for fall, but these are also, I think, really, really great holiday nails. New Year's nails, I think, yeah, I think these are going to be a fan favorite. As soon, I think, as we strike December and these hit my swatch book, I think everyone's going to go nuts. Just have a feeling. We'll see. I have actually used that very first color on the very left-hand side there. I used that on a client without her having seen them. I was planning a set for her and I was like, I know what I have in the mail. And so I incorporated that color. And she actually said it's one of the most reflective cat eye gels she thinks she's ever worn. And we do a lot of cat eye gels on her. So that's saying something. But they are very shifty and very reflective and very beautiful. It's like when they shift, they really like emit their own light, which is pretty cool. I mean, they don't actually, obviously. I hope you knew that, but you know, it's like they do. But just finishing off this swatch here. So beautiful, oh my god. It's like cranberry sauce. And look, oh my god. Look at the shift on those. Can you believe? I can't. I cannot believe. Now we're moving into the Tweed collection from Yogurt Nails. These are pretty unique, these gels. So the kit is made to do tweed nails essentially. So you can see these gels are kind of like, they're filled with glitter, they're filled with little flecks, little like white pieces, and that's really made to emulate tweed, which I think is so cool. I've always been a huge fan of people who do tweed nails. I have never really done tweed nails before this. Maybe one time I tried. You'll see. When I show you my tweed capabilities closer to the end, I think you'll be able to be like, yeah, Rebecca's new to this. But people who do tweed nails, they really get it. I'm like, that could be a little nail cut out of Chanel suit jacket material. They're really, really good. So I feel like if you're looking to get into tweed nails, this is kind of a good kickoff point because this kit comes with everything. Obviously a bunch of different colors, and then you also get the tweed gel, which you'll see in a sec. But this purple, oh my god. I never really liked purple. There's a lot of shades of purple I really don't like. I don't know why. It's like very much the like electric 80s purple. It kind of grosses me out a little bit. It makes me like, gives me the shivers. Do you have any colors that do that to you, or am I just a freak? Don't answer that because I know the answer is I'm just a freak, but I feel like there's got to be somebody else who hates a color that much. Okay, this is the Tweed gel. You can see it comes in a thin bottle because it has a liner brush, which is supposed to make application a lot easier because it's an all-in-one situation. So I'm just doing a layer of that. And now we're doing the Tweed. So I'm just doing lines downward first and then flash curing between each nail. But then I'm going to do lines across after a full cure. Now you can see that the gel is self-leveling quite a bit as I'm applying it. I wish it stayed a little bit more chunky, but I think it's also because I'm a 3D addict, and I actually think for Tweed you probably wouldn't want it that chunky. This is probably an appropriate amount of chunkiness. But you know, that's just me. I think this is perfect. I think for Tweed nails, this is what you want. I'm just crazy, but we knew that. So I'm just using, I'm using the liner brush. If I wanted, I might try and decant some of this gel and then use a thinner liner brush if I wanted to try some thinner lines, just because this brush gets so built up with product being in the jar, and it's hard to get all the product out of the brush. So that's what I might try, just to compare, you know? But I think this is really cute. Even as a Tweed newbie, I think this is really sweet. So I'm just painting some matte top coat, and I saw Yogurt Nails do this, onto a sponge and then dabbing it on to give more tweedy matte texture, which I think is a cute idea. You could also just fully paint over or do a gloss, but I think this is really fun. And there we have it. There are the Tweed nails. They're really cute. I think they'd be super, super fun. Let me know if you guys are Tweed experts. I want to be one. But which collection did you like better, Noble Night or Twin Tweed? It's a hard choice, but I think I like Noble Night better. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video.